Hi everyone, welcome to Sweet Pea Stitch Inspirations. My name is Sydney and today we are going to learn how to weave in our tail ends while knitting. So as you see here, I have already got a swatch going on, which is a garter with some stockinette. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to change to a secondary color. So I'm going to go ahead and attach my secondary color to this very first stitch. So I'm just going to go ahead and go into that stitch as if to knit, and then create a loop and then knit that stitch. Now I'm going to take this tail end here and I'm just going to hold it with my right hand. Now you do want to kind of tighten up that edge stitch there with the primary color that you are using so it's not so loose. So I just want to make sure that is kind of tightened up. Now to weave in our end, which the end that we are going to be weaving is this primary color strand, which is my beige tan color, while knitting with my secondary color. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go into that stitch, whether you are knitting or you're purling, and we're going to twist, take both of these strands of yarn, and we're going to twist to the left. So again, we are going to take these two strands of yarn and we're just going to twist them to the left. Now, if you need to twist them twice, that is fine, but just making sure that you are twisting to the left. And then you'll go ahead and knit that stitch. And for the second stitch that you will go ahead and weave in your ends, we're going to twist them in the opposite direction. So I'm going to go ahead and go into that stitch. And instead of twisting to the left this time, we're going to twist to the right. And then I'm just going to go ahead and knit or purl that stitch. We're going to go ahead and continue repeating that for a total of 5 to 10 stitches, depending on how slippery your strand of yarn is. So again, the very first stitch, we're going to twist to the left. And then you're going to knit or purl that stitch, whichever one you're doing. And then the second stitch, we're going to twist them strands of yarn to the right. So again, you'll just go ahead and continue that over a total of 5 to 10 stitches. And when you look on the back side, you'll see where those stitches are starting to weave in. But that is it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment, or subscribe. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.